We're here at the Crooked Road Village in Franklin County, looking at the fields after they've been mowed. Over here to the right of the driveway is lots 6, 7, and 8. Beautifully maintained. They just did the mowing in here about 2 weeks ago, so it looks beautiful. The color is still somewhat in the trees here. More color than we have up in Floyd. Beautiful down here. We're right off of Highway 40. Crooked Road Village, about 3 miles from 605 Crossroads, or as it's now known as Crooked Road Store.